I just want to say this for the last time. If you meet me for road and you don't know what to say beyond, Mary, if I come this week now, Mary, as a CEO of rock, you don't have to be looking local. Mary, you're looking like this. I beg. If you don't get anything to tell me beyond those things, shut up. No greet me. I no go see you, you no go see me. People who know me know say, if I wear my face mask, in fact, I dey run. No greet.
Nollywood actress don't cry out, oh my darling people. She don't talk say, I beg. If fans dey na come beg. And all those girls, all those people when they see her say, I want to snap picture with you. I want to snap picture with you. Now you say she can't talk to. I go put the video more on her list though. She talks say, if they always, if people want snap picture with her, say many of them they'll come go they talk for back say go they see post say she know the dress wear, she know they wear better clothes. He say I beg, he use God say beg una. She dress so, she not dress so, that one not be una business. He said that one not supposed to be una headache. Mona leave her alone. Anyhow when she want to dress, she go dress. He said her dress not supposed to be una problem. He said so you not go feel because of una now. Go they buy many clothes when you want wear. No. And then I go know this our Nollywood actress na very big person. The husband na he get Iroko TV. So she don't come talk now say I beg Mona leave her alone. No but I want tell her wetin she go wear. He say if you don't want snap picture with her, may you leave her alone. So you know come feel because of you now, go dey find wetin you want wear. Clothes wey you go wear before you come snap picture with her. He say no. He say I beg you wear the talk and they go so. May you make sure say next time if you see you may you wear clothes where they tell they see the Queen of England. He say not go fit because of you. Go they look for big clothes where you want wear. No, you no go do for anybody. So Mona leave her alone. Mona leave her alone. Now what did she talk? I go put the video now. May not be like saying I made the talker. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
I just want to say this for the last time. If you meet me for road and you don't know what to say beyond, Mary, if I come this week now, Mary, as a CEO of rock, you don't have to be looking local. Mary, you're looking like this. I beg. If you don't get anything to tell me beyond those things, shut up. No greet me. I no go see you, you no go see me. People who know me know say, if I wear my face mask, in fact, I dey run. No greet me, leave me. Wait. Mary this, Mary dress like this, Mary dress like this. Now your body. Oh, you're a role model. No, I no do again. I no be your role model. No, use me do role model. I get children where they use me do role model. Use your mama and your sister do role model. Leave me. Let me live my life the way I want to live it. People are so focused on looking like a boss these days than actually focusing on being a boss, doing the job. And people like they lead this new generation astray. Waiting. Upon everything I don't achieve, oh Mary, your mates are dressing, your mates are not get mate. My name is Mary Njoku, and they no born anybody. I did my lane. And I focus for my lane. If anybody again, I don't care if you're following me, you meet me for road, you start talking about I should dress like this, I should dress like, be sure that day you are dressed like Angelina Jolie, because God will go punish you that day if you are looking very trashy. I go finish you. I beg, leave me now. If you want to follow people where they slay, leave my page. No, my page not be for slaying. It's not for slaying. It's not. I have a life. And I'm enjoying it. And 1,000 of you guys will not make me do what I don't want to do or don't feel like doing. I'm not here to dress. I'm not a mannequin to dress for you so that you see, you buy the clothes. I'm not a mannequin. Leave me. I get better. The person they think of how to take over the world. Some people they think of, oh, which clothes you style yourself. Wear this. Leave me. Leave me.